Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and use Bitget coupons. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to find your coupons inside Bitget mobile application, go ahead and open up Bitget and then make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, click onto the logo top left hand corner of the page, and as you can see I'm signed in here. From here, scroll down. We've got quick access and popular. Under popular, scroll down and we've got coupons here. So now this is where you're going to find all your active coupons. And now if you want to claim any coupons, just simply click into it and activate that coupon. I don't have any current coupons inside my account at this point in time. But if you're like me and you want to get some more coupons, it will say complete tasks in the reward center to redeem more coupons. So click onto view. And now once you do activate a coupon, that automatically applied to offset spot and future transaction fees. Each coupon has a specific value and may include a discount rate as well. So for example, if you have a $100 USDT coupon with a 50% discount rate and you incur a $10 USDT transaction fee, the coupon will cover 50% of that fee. The remaining coupon balance will be 95 USD for future trades. All right, now we're inside the reward center. So if we scroll down here, we're going to see how many points we got. So at the moment, I've got 3 points. So you need points to claim these coupon codes. And in order to get more points, you simply click onto your points. And then from here, you can get more points by daily check-ins. So open the Bitget app and log into your account, and then tap the check-in button daily to earn more points. Also, by completing tasks. So we're in the reward center. If we scroll down, you got challenges and daily tasks. So I'm going to click on the daily tasks. So now engage in activities such as trades and deposits. You can also participate in exclusive promotions with high rewards for specific activities.